Kegels and Witches. We are at Tales of Terror over in the Orlando Fairgrounds right now.
Yes, we are super excited. This is our first time out here, and we are out here tonight for their media night. So
yes.
They have 2 different little house trails that we're gonna do, which I'm really excited to see. One of them is called Tormented, Curse of the Bayou, and the other one is Geno Corpse.
Yes.
We care about everybody.
And we were actually given these. With these, we give the scare actors basically permission to grab us, touch us, pull us, whatever they want.
We can get wet, they said. So they said if it's ever too much, just take it off and throw it.
Exactly.
So I'm really excited. We've never done anything like this before.
I've done something like this before.
Not me.
I enjoy it. I think it's fun.
They also have some really fun carnival games. There's also a live band here. A lot of really cool merch stands. We'll show those as well.
Vendors, yeah, local artists. And then there's also, we cannot film actual like front forward videos, only selfies. So
only selfies.
You guys love those, yeah. You can see us freaked out being grabbed at.
So, yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna go through those trails.
Here we go. Oh boy. I like it here. We already got spanked, so that's good.
This is my new favorite horn.
That spanking hurt a little bit.
That was, yeah, that was a little harder than Oh my god. That was good.
Hello. Not that way. Ooh.
We're going the right way.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's like a little campsite. That last one hurt, man.
Oh, I know.
My butt.
Still hung up on that. Okay.
Oh.
We're outside.
We're outside.
Ooh.
There's more.
Oh, we coming for you, man. Little man's waiting for you. Go on, kid.
All right.
You're waiting.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, hello. Yes, sir.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
We got spanked in
The
us.
land is unholy. Beware.
Oh.
You might be in for a rude.
Oh, hello.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Awesome. Thank you. Alrighty. That was nice.
Oh my gosh. There's a cross on my forehead.
This way? This way.
It is like Ash Wednesday.
It feels just like Ash Wednesday. It's upside down.
Ash Sunday.
It's upside down. Oh, hello. Oh, that's not a real person. Okay.
Dare to enter and disturb the soul of the Papa Legba.
Oh.
You belong to the
Let me out.
Oh! Hello.
Oh.
Oh gosh. Oh, I like how we're like outside. Oh, we're back. Hello.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
This is so good. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh no. Nikki, why am I in the back?
I want your soul. Oh.
Oh my god.
the Father, the Son.
Ooh-wee. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I know this song. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Not a real person. Not a real person.
Are we sure?
I think there is. He's gonna. Okay.
You guys still live to believe.
There ain't no leaving the bayou. Stay a while. Real friendly like that.
No, thank
offer. Oh! Chainsaw.
They just cut me off that part of the globe.
Shit, we're stuck. There we go.
You're good. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is dark. This is dark.
It's okay.
I think we made it. Okay guys, no we didn't go to church. We just went through Tormented.
It's like Ash Wednesday.
And if
as
you-
a good Catholic, but
If you look at it, it's upside down, so not that good of a Catholic.
Jesus.
Fantastic. They really did like grab us.
oh my gosh, but it was
Yeah.
so, it added to the experience so well. And the scares were just so good. Oh my gosh, I actually was scared.
Yeah, I really liked how
I
it
got
was
baptized, I got crucified.
a lot of like outdoor pieces. I really like that. I love being in the outdoor
That was
setting.
such a, honestly, them being able to touch you is like such a different scare. Because you know, like when they're getting close to you, like
Yeah, all bets
not
are
safe.
off. Yeah,
You're not safe.
Exactly.
You're not
We got spanked. My ass still hurts.
I got choked. I got a whole arm around my throat.
I left Allie behind. I'm like, okay, bye.
I was like, wait. You probably already saw it, but
Yeah, it was so much fun. I can't wait to the next one. Hi. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Right behind me, Allie.
Come see the doctor too.
Oh, is there a doctor? Yeah, we'll go see
I'm here
him.
to see him.
Oh, cool.
I have to get more happy pills. Have you tried that?
no, but maybe I should. I'm a little scared.
Of course, I got a little reception. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Happy! You're gonna be so happy! Eat it! Eat it! Take the pill! Thank you for choosing Geno corn!
Oh my god! It's a Tic Tac. It's good.
Is it? Did you eat one?
Yeah, it's fruity.
Oh, I was.
Why is everybody coming in marked? Why is everybody coming in marked? I don't know. No, why you got marked? They did it over there.
At the church.
Oh no. And we're going this way.
Oh no.
That's funny. Look at the bodies.
Oh.
This is very hard to navigate. We're going this way. Yeah, this way.
Oh my gosh, in here? I guess what?
Hello. Oh, that way. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Are you leaving?
We can stay longer if you'd like.
Oh no.
Nikki. Oh, I guess we're staying.
I'm getting stoned.
Hi. Oh, okay. I'm being taken. Bye, Allie. Which way am I going? Bye. I'm being pushed.
Bye, Nikki.
Bye. Okay, I guess it's just me now.
Allie's coming.
Oh, Allie. Hello, welcome back. Where did I go? They really said separate families. Hello.
How far did separate?
Oh, how far to separate? Are you the dog?
You lost friends, Don.
That's this one. This one. You found me though.
They were both lost.
Yeah, just a little bit.
One of these, call me in the morning.
I mean, like not to take.
I got to take one of these.
Don't say me. Are you ready to see the nurse today? Come on.
Yeah.
I'm ready to see you. I'm gonna make you a really special deal today.
Ooh.
Come on in. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not like that. Is there? I'm really nice.
We're going in here.
Yeah. My friends in there. That's really one of you.
That's the wrong way. I was in the meat locker. I was like, no. I just said, okay, I go in.
Oh my god.
Get you, did you?
No, I hope not.
No.
That person had a
I heard you were in the meat locker.
Yeah.
She didn't do anything to you in there, did she?
No.
No. No, okay.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Yeah, she did.
Oh my god, you're so
Hello. Hi.
They're in there.
Oh, they're in here?
You want to meet them?
Yeah. Let's meet some more friends. Ooh, I love the lighting. Oh wow.
Oh, I like it.
Oh my god.
Y'all look at this exorcist jump, man. Y'all see this, man?
Oh. Oh yeah. Look at you.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
This jump.
That's impressive.
This brand, this ain't no dirt.
I wish you guys could see. It's very
Yeah,
impressive.
this is really cool. Oh yes, sis.
Oh, I like it.
Exorcism, it seems like, or some sort of medically induced issue. That way? This way.
Oh, stop! Stop, Christ!
Is this the exit? Or do we keep? No, I think we keep. Is this the right way?
I'm lost.
Hello. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
I think we're going this way, Allie.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh. We are not alone. Hi.
I'm thriving, I promise.
Hi, friend. Hi, friend.
Listen.
So we just got done with Geno Corp, and that was
Oh my
a lot
god.
of fun.
Listen. I'm a little too brave to be wearing this.
I love it. I got
No,
put-
it's so fun.
I'm so like corroborative with them. Like they told me to go into meat locker, and I said okay.
I said okay, and we started going. We're like, wait, this is a refrigerator. Get out, get out. I was like, turn around.
So much fun. The lighting effects in this one's cool. They do that
The
fog and lights.
the props, the scare actors. Like I'm swear, she must have been getting a real exorcism or something.
She was
'cause that
all
was
back
insane.
bend, stretched out. She was in it. I was like, you
I was
go.
like looking at her and looking at the props and then looking around. Like, oh, there's so much to look at. It was so scary. But
I got
it was so fun.
I got
have
a
a good like.
TikTok. Yeah,
My heart's pounding.
it was
that
fun.
really good.
It was so much fun.
Some food items available for purchase here. There's also the second food truck here with more food items. Definitely lots of food items available here. This is their full liquor bar here.
That concludes our night here at Tales of Terror. Oh my god, what a tongue twister that
Yes.
is.
We were out here at the fairgrounds. This was such a fun experience. Overall, this was our first time out here, and we get so much fun. Like having this interactive glow necklace is
so much fun.
Literally makes the whole
If
thing.
you don't mind being touched and grabbed and separated from your group, I definitely recommend
It's a
doing
lot of
it.
fun,
Yeah, and also
yeah.
getting stuff on your
I will
on your
say,
head.
I'm a scaredy cat. I always make Nikki go 1st, and I had a great time. So.
I loved it, and I've always am for like them grabbing me. I always give them consent
Yeah.
too, so I just ask the experience. So if you're into it,
And we
I
got-
totally
yeah,
recommend.
We got these souvenirs
on
take
our
home
head.
with us.
I got a Tic Tac in my mouth, so it was fun. Yeah,
Lots of fun. The vendors here are really awesome. We
super
talked
nice.
to a lot of them.
Yeah, did a little shopping.
Yeah, I got some stickers, some
Yeah.
fun stuff to take home.
Yeah.
Lots of food, lots of stuff to do. There's a DJ, there's a band, like
But
so much fun.
Definitely come check it out. It's over at the Orlando Fairgrounds.
Yes.
Definitely worth the trip out. If you're in Orlando, it's right here for you. So much fun.
Absolutely. Yeah, I can't wait to come back next year and see what they have then.
Yeah, but till next time, guys.
Bye.
It's spooky season, 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 spooky season.